Good morning YouTube, and welcome back. Right, so we've arrived at the shop. Just swapping my helmet over and headsets now, so I'm mid-out at wear. Right, so we're at Infinity Motorcycles in York. The guy in there is just fitting me my new comms kit. Well, not my new comms kit, he's fitting my comms kit to my new helmet. For me, which is a lot of hassle taken away from me, to be honest with you. Bit of a pain in the backside. So not much really going off. It's pretty dead, pretty quiet. Glad they're still open though. There's just nobody about. It's quite eerie. I'll catch you in a bit. There we are, all sorted. Infinity Motorcycles at York. Thumbs up from me. Now then, just got back from Infinity Motorcycles at York, where they've exchanged my helmet for me. 100% better. You know, the other one will just fall into bits as you've seen in other video. This one, totally different story. It's snug, everything's in place, all the clips are in place. And what the guys there at Infinity did as well, they fitted me my Bluetooth headset and wired it all in for me. So we did a bit of a trial and error fit just to make sure that the speakers were positioned and the earpieces were positioned right. So everything's set up and already good to go. Highly recommend Infinity. Guys there at York are absolutely fantastic. So if you're ever in the area, nip in. They've got quite a good stock of things and they're always there happy to help you. But yeah, absolutely over the moon with this now. So the only thing left to do is to fit the microphone for my GoPro and fit my chin mount and then get out there and test it. So it's a nice day today, so I might go out for a short ride just to test the helmet and make sure that everything's positioned right for me audio. But yeah, I got back from York, and the youngest daughter, her school's closed because they've had 19 outbreaks of COVID, and a couple of teachers have gone down with it as well now. So they're off school. They're not looking like they're going to be back for next month or so. So I booked a week off work this week, with me being my birthday, and my plan was to get out there and do a bit, but I'm homeschooling. Yeah, I've just got back in. The eldest lad, he's looked after daughter while I've been out. Got back in, she's come downstairs with a bin, emptied a bin out of her bedroom, gone to wash it and just chucked water all over the floor. So it's great to be off. All set, good to go. So thanks for watching, just a bit of an update on the helmet. So I will catch you in a bit. Look after yourself, stay safe.